everyone, welcome back. Today's lesson is fun and super personal. How to talk about your hobbies and free time in natural English.
Yeah, this topic always comes up when you meet new people. It's one of the best ways to connect, find common interests, or just start a friendly conversation.
Let's start with something important. Native speakers rarely say, "My hobby is." It sounds too formal.
Right. Instead, they say things like, I'm into, I really enjoy, I love. Lately, I've been.
On weekends, I usually...
These expressions make your English sound natural and relaxed.
So, Emma, what are you into these days?
Lately, I've been into baking. I've been trying different bread recipes.
Oh, nice. I'm terrible at baking. I usually spend my free time playing guitar or going for walks.
That sounds relaxing. If you want to ask someone about their hobbies, try asking, "What do you like to do in your free time?" Or, "What are you into?" Do you have any hobbies? How do you usually spend your weekends?
That last question is great. Weekends are a universal topic.
How do you usually spend your weekends, Jack?
I like going to the park or meeting friends. If the weather is good, I ride my bike. What about you?
I usually stay home and relax, but sometimes I go out and explore new cafes.
When someone tells you their hobby, don't just stop. You can ask follow-up questions like, how long have you been doing that? What got you into it? Is it difficult? Do you do it alone or with friends? Where do you usually go?
These follow-up questions keep the conversation alive and show real interest. So, Jack, how long have you been playing guitar?
About 5 years now. I started because my friend taught me a few chords, and I just kept going.
That's awesome. Do you play by yourself or in a group?
Mostly by myself, but sometimes with friends when we hang out.
If you want to talk about a hobby you're thinking of starting, say, "I've been thinking about trying. I want to get into. I'm curious about."
For example, I've been thinking about trying yoga. Or, I want to get into photography. Emma, is there anything you want to try this year?
And that wraps up Lesson 11. Talking about your hobbies is one of the easiest ways to make friends and keep conversations going.
So, practice these phrases. Pick a hobby and share it in English.
We'll see you in Lesson 12.